All right, folks, we're going duck hunting. We just arrived to our spot. It looks to be like there's ducks there. When I was driving up, I saw some ducks. I don't know if they flew off already or what, but yeah, should be pretty awesome. Stay tuned. I got one, so that's good. Let's just sit here though. Drinking Malardo. Alright guys, so far we've got one big old Malardo. So we're just gonna sit at this spot and see if anything else flies in. If not, I have another spot I want to go to, but this was kind of the plan. Just sit here and wait. Just cut one a little bit. Alright folks, we just got back from the duck hunt. It was a little bad, I guess. We shot at some, we got one. Should have had probably 3 or 4, but it's just the way it is sometimes. But we got a nice big old Drake mallard. This way. Yeah, I got that. I got one of them. Look at that. 2 green heads. Heck yeah. That actually worked. I know. I got one, you got one. Look at that. Both Drakes too? Yep. It's pretty cool. Yeah, no joke. Where'd the other one go? There was a third one.
Oh, I didn't even see him fly. There was what, 4?
3. I walked through and they went like this. And it went boom.
I didn't think there was anything here, and then all of a sudden they took off.
Yeah.
Holy shit, this is gonna be deep.
Really? Should we go get the kayak maybe? Why didn't you walk this way?
Huh?
Walk through here.
It's like one of those,
It's like the pond that I hunt. It's a super deep mud.
yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, I think you're dragging the kayak in.
Okay.
Oh, that's 3.
I knew I got another one. It's a merganser drake.
Going in this.
I knew it.
Go get the kayak.
That was there was a merganser drake and I shot it. It's 100% a merganser drake.
Did you shoot twice?
I shot 2 times. All right, folks, we finally got done with our duck hunt. Ended up picking up a couple more ducks, 2 golden eyes, which is pretty awesome. I've never shot a golden eye drake, but I got one. My dad got one and I got one. We didn't get it on video. The camera died, and it was it happened really fast. But anyways, yeah, here are the ducks. I mean, got this golden eye drake, and I finally got my merganser drake. I'm gonna get it mounted, so you will see a video soon. I'm going to get it mounted, and then another golden eye drake and 2 mallard drakes. It all worked out pretty good, surprisingly. Didn't lose any ducks. Pond we shot the mallards, and that was crazy. It was like it looked like it was like 2-3 feet, but it was like chest height, just mud. So we had to actually get the kayak out and launch it, and it was funny. But yeah, until the next time, keep hunting, never stop.